First of all, switch on the audio interface. The UOG Apollo is on the left-hand side of the console. Flick the switch and wait for it to power up. Switch on the SSL console using the power switch on the rear on the right-hand side. Switch on any additional outboard equipment that you may be using during your session as well. Power on the Mac and wait for the screens to load the desktop. Use the remote provided to turn on the large screen. Check that the volume controls are down on the SSL console from both the mix bus and the monitor controller. Finally, switch on the speakers using the power switch, which is on the right-hand side on the wall behind the desk. Once you have finished working and you have saved your project, before you walk away from the studio, remember to zero the desk, returning all of the values and parameters that you've used back to their 0 point. Bring the faders to the bottom, reset your pans to center, turn down all of the gains and trims that you've used, reset all of your Q sends to 0, and flatten any EQ that you have applied. Start the shutdown procedure by turning off the speakers first. Once the speakers are off, you can turn off everything else in reverse order from which you turned it on. So first of all, shut down the Mac. Click on the Apple logo and select Shut Down from the menu. Switch off the outboard equipment that you've used, then turn off the desk by flicking the same switch on the rear right-hand side of the console. Finally, turn off the audio interface.